Today, I'll walk you through how to import a CSV in Power BI, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to load your data into Power BI so you can start analyzing it effectively. Let's dive right in. First, open Power BI Desktop. This is your main workspace where all the magic happens. If you're new to Power BI, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functions remain the same. Once you have Power BI open, look for the Home tab at the top of your screen. Click on it and then find the down arrow next to the Get Data option. This is where you can access various data sources. Next, choose Text CSV from the drop-down menu. This option is specifically designed for importing CSV files, which are commonly used for data storage. Now click on the Browse button. This will open a File Explorer window where you can navigate to the location of your CSV file. Select the file you want to import from your local folder and click Open. After selecting your file, click Next. At this stage, Power BI will show you a preview of your data. This is a great opportunity to ensure everything looks correct before you proceed. If everything checks out, go ahead and click Load. Now you'll need to wait for the loading process to finish. This may take a moment depending on the size of your file, but don't worry if this takes a moment, it's all part of the process. Once the loading is complete, your data will be available in the data pane on the right side of the screen. And there you have it. You've successfully imported a CSV into Power BI. This process is similar to opening a book and flipping to the right page. It's straightforward once you know the steps. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.